Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into creating the base part of a machine vise in SolidWorks. This essential component is the foundation of the machine vise and will guide you step by step through the process. So, let's get started and bring your SolidWorks skills to the next level. Click on New, then select Part, and click OK. Select Top Plane, then right-click to select Sketch. Create a center rectangle here at Origin. Give a length of 312 mm and width of 176 mm. Now go to Features in Toolbar and select Extrude Boss Base. Enter thickness of 59 mm. Select this top face and again right-click for Sketch. This time go for Corner Rectangle. Select this corner point as starting point and bring it down to here. Give length of 45 mm. Now extrude this to a height of 35 mm. Select this front face to draw a sketch on it. Select Corner Rectangle and draw it like this. Enter a height of 12 mm, which will remove using Extrude Cut. Remove the material up to length of 100 mm. Now select this middle face to draw a sketch. First draw a center line so we can mirror the sketch about this line. Use Corner Rectangle again and draw a rectangle from this point. Select Mirror Entities. Entities to mirror will be this rectangle and mirror about select the center line. Enter a length of 100 mm. Give a center distance between these 100 mm. Again, go to Features and use Extrude Cut to remove the material with condition through all. Now select this face to draw a sketch. First draw a center line. Now select this time midpoint line. Select Origin as midpoint and draw a sketch like this. This shape is like an inverted T. Now we will apply some relations. Select both these outer lines and then center line to add a symmetric relation. Repeat the steps for these above lines also for making the sketch symmetric. Now select both these horizontal line and make them collinear. Choose Smart Dimension and give a width of 66 mm to this bottom line. Enter width of 50 mm to top line. Enter thickness of 12 mm to this line. In Features option, select Extrude Cut to remove the material in T shape. Flip direction to cut. From this drop-down option, select Offset from Surface. Select this front surface first and then enter an offset of 30 mm. You can see our cut surface is 30 mm from the selected surface. Now we will remove some material in the bottom part too. Select this bottom face and right-click for Sketch option. Draw a corner rectangle here. Now draw a center line so we can mirror this rectangle. Choose Mirror Entities options. Select all the lines of rectangle first and then choose Mirror Abut Centerline. First, provide a distance of 20 mm between this edge and line. Enter a length of 150 mm. Enter a width of 46.5 mm. In Features, select Extrude Cut to remove the material. This time, select Blind option and enter a distance of 35 mm. Now we provide some fillet inside the removed section. Select the fillet option and select these inner edges. Enter radius of 75 mm. Select the remaining edges also. Click OK to finish. Select Fillet again. This time we will choose the outer edges and provide a radius of 20 mm. Repeat fillet to provide a radius of 5 mm to these remaining outer edges. Let's create a hole on this front face to hold a shaft using Hole Wizard. Select Hole Wizard. Choose option Hole. Here select drill sizes. We require a diameter of 25 mm. End condition to be up to next. Now we will define the position of this hole. Select this front face and go to Origin and move your cursor up. Now draw a center line from here so we can define the position of the hole at the midpoint. Select the midpoint of the center line and origin and add a relation of coincide point. Click OK to create a hole. We have to create a hole on front face too. Select Hole again. This time select a drill size of 20 mm. Now go to Position and click the front face. From Origin go upwards and click at this point. From Smart Dimension enter a height of 37 mm. Click OK. Your hole is now created. On this face, we require a threaded hole. Again, go to Hole Wizard and this time select Tapped Hole option. Choose Tapped Hole. Select the metric thread of M10 by 1. Keep end condition blind and enter a thread length of 15 mm. Now time to define the position. First click on this face and then look for the midpoint of this edge and move your cursor towards right and then click it here to create your first hole. Again, move towards right and click here to create the second hole. Select Smart Dimension, then select the center point of both the holes and enter a distance of 112 mm. Our holes are not symmetric, so create a center line from origin. Now select center point of both the holes and then select the center line to apply a relation of symmetric. Our holes are now placed at the equal distance, so click OK. At last, we have to create an oil hole in tapered condition. For that, select the right plane and then choose Sketch. Select a point here, and put the point on this edge. Give distance of 65 mm from the bottom edge to this point. Now draw a center line in an inclined way like this starting from this point. First click on the center line and make it infinite. Give an angle of 45 degrees to this center line. Now choose 3 points rectangle from here. On center line, click for first point. Then click here for second point and at last here for third point. From Smart Dimension, click this line, then center line, and then enter the hole diameter of 5 mm. Give this hole length of 55 mm, and now go to Features to select Revolved Cut. Choose Fillet again. Select these outer edges and enter a radius of 5 mm. Our base part of the machine vise is now complete. You can now provide some material from here in the Appearances tools. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do not forget to like and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.